Why does your scanner show the P2257 engine code? What does it mean? P2257 is a diagnostic trouble code for secondary air injection system control. A circuit low. This engine code indicates a secondary air injection system control, a circuit low, meaning the engine's control module detected low voltage in the system's control circuit. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty SAI system components, wiring issues, clogged hoses, PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Ford vehicles like Fusion and Focus. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.